Yo, so it's Saturday morning. Let me show you guys how to make the perfect fluffy biscuits. Go into a large bowl.
All right, you guys, I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Okay, so this is everything you're going to need. You see that? You see that? You see that? Don't ask me for no ingredient list. This is everything you need right here. All right, so I put in the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and salt. I'm gonna add vanilla to mine just because I want it a little like sweet. And then I also have the buttermilk that I'm going to add, and I'm going to shred unsalted butter. He said 1 stick, so I'm gonna just shred this whole thing. All right, so I added in all that stuff. I sprinkled flour. This is the dough. I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm going to flatten it, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to cut the biscuits to this size. All right, so this is what my biscuit is looking like, as you can see, and I'm going to add it to this baking tray. All right, now I'm just making some egg wash to spread on the biscuits. All right, this is what it's looking like. He said put it on 375. I'm gonna put it on 350. And I'm gonna just be on the lookout for when it turns brown. All right, so I just took them out the oven. They're not brown, but I didn't want to keep it on there and like I don't want them to burn, but like underneath is brown. So I don't know, they feel hard, so I think that they're done. So let's just try it. All right, you guys, here it is. It looks good on the bottom, but the top is not brown. I don't think I made it thick enough. You know, he said a 1 inch, and I think this is like a 1/2 inch. So I don't know, but this is what it's looking like. I thought it was gonna like fluff up more, but it didn't. So now I know for next time. But let's just should we just break the middle, or should we just like bite it? Let's just break the middle. How it's looking. Ooh, okay, layers. I think I see some layers in there. It smells like flour. I'm scared. Okay. Mmm. It tastes like a biscuit. Mmm. I think I would use salted butter, but I don't know if that would change how it turned out. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It's not bad, but I think I would like it to be more buttery and more salty. I mean, even though I added the vanilla to make it sweet, but it's not really sweet either. It just tastes like flour that you baked, you know? Um, so yeah, I would give this, it's not a failure. So I don't know. I would probably do like a 5 out of 10. I think I would do like a 5 or a 6 out of 10, considering I've never made biscuits before. I just want it to be saltier and butterier, but yeah, I would give it a 6 or a 5, maybe like a 5.8. A 5.8 out of 10. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this recipe, or if you know a better biscuit recipe, let me know, and maybe I'll try it out. See you guys in the next one.